We in America think we have something special, but people have teeth all over the world.
A former Tucson dentist claiming to know the safe spots for dental work across the border. Up next, only on KOLD News 13, what has some customers smiling and state regulators worried.
Live, local, late breaking. You're watching KOLD News 13 live at 10.
Fears of pain, lectures, and high prices keep some people in southern Arizona out of the dentist chair.
Some find relief south of the border in Nogales, Sonora. But would you know what to look for there?
Our Craig Reck shows us one man many people are trusting on his trips from Tucson, only on KOLD News 13.
Do you guys feel this already?
The sounds, sights, and sensations that a dentist's office are enough to keep some people away.
I have dental phobia, so I've been going to the dentist my entire life, and I've always been really afraid of the dentist.
The bills became too much for Tony. She made her first trip to Mexico, and a dentist in Arizona quoted her at more than 10 grand. She's paying just a fraction of that now, and even her insurance covers some of the cost.
I feel very comfortable here. I will probably never go to another dentist in Arizona.
You'll see the border fence and all the buildings on one side is Mexico.
Mark McMahon sounds like a tour guide, but this shuttle isn't full of tourists. They're patients on their way to Nogales, Sonora for a dentist appointment. Mark says he's narrowed down the best practices over the last 2 years.
Now, I haven't seen every office in Nogales, obviously, but it's consistent that they're more conservative and they're more compassionate.
Even the people we talked to in the waiting room who didn't ride the shuttle say they're satisfied with their service. But regulators back in Arizona say that you're on your own if there's any problems once you cross back over the border.
Sometimes when you make an investment thinking that, okay, I can get it done cheaper, you may end up getting in a situation where you're much deeper into the expense because you've got to correct a mistake that was done.
The Arizona Dental Association hears it all, like a lady who wound up with busted veneers after she sat down with a dentist in Mexico.
She said her teeth looked like chiclets, that was her words, and that when she went back to complain, they saw her coming and locked the door. And she said, what do I do? What do I do? And I said, well, you know, there's not much that you can do on the other side, and you may have to go and see a dentist here in the United States and get it corrected.
There's dental work all over the world. We don't have a monopoly on good dental care in the United States.
Arizona and the United States require certain qualifications, certifications, and oversight that Mexico might not. Patients like Tony say that doesn't matter. The dentist here gave her a guarantee.
I've never had a guarantee. I've never had a dentist say, we're going to guarantee that crown. So I'm not worried about that.
Tony says she trusts Mark, a former dentist who says he has his own way of sizing up the practices south of the border.
It's just a gut feeling. I can get a sense walking into the place what the staff is like as to what the management and the dentists are like just by the vibe of the office.
We're going to get started, okay?
The Dental Association just warns you at home to do your research before committing to anything out of their reach.
We don't want to insult our colleagues south of the border. We all want to do the best thing for patients. And just like anywhere where there are some people who are less than competent, in the United States we've got a way to deal with that.
In Mexico, Craig Reck, KOLD News 13, live, local, late breaking.